Hi friends, I'm back. Do not forget to subscribe. And today we are going to do full face using 100% drugstore products. That means this is on a budget, and I'm talking full face. So just to get started, first thing, now I have already put Cera Ve moisturizing lotion to moisturize my face. So it's already moisturized. Then I'm going to take Almay Luminous Primer. So this goes on before your foundation, and it kind of is a knockoff of MAC strobe cream, but it's luminous, which means it's like, it makes it really shiny and like moisturizing. Look at that glow. It's kind of got a glow to it, which I like. And I'm just gonna use my hands, put that all over my face. There you go. So that's a great little glowing primer. And then, okay, so then I'm going to take actually I'm gonna take my banana clip first of all, get my hair. Looks like, yeah, I need to do a little gray touch up, but I got a little secret for you at the end of this video. So watch my doing your own roots video too. So what I've done is I've taken a little bit of this Physicians Formula BB cream, which is like anti-aging, all-in-one beauty with SPF 30. This is the light, so it was a little too light. So what I did was I got this Sunlit bronzer, liquid bronzer, and I poured them both in my hand. You can see them, see the light and the dark? Pour them in my hand, and I'm gonna rub them together, and I'm kind of making my own formula for my foundation. So and I'm putting it in the palm of my hand. I just rub it together so they go together, and then look at that. So then it becomes actually the color that I wanted, because one's too dark and one's too light. So it's a combination, and I just literally, don't forget your lips. I don't know, like I said, this is full face, people. Yeah. And your neck, don't forget your neck. Now, if you have shorter hair, don't forget your ears too, but I always have my hair down on my ears, so there you go. And then pull it down on your neck like this, see what I mean? Pull it all over, everywhere. So you have an all over even skin tone. How great is that? Yep, there you go. And then you just kind of pull it down all over. There you go, okay. Then, because I'm doing this whole video, I am going to wash that off of my hands real quick. I could have used a beauty blender, then you don't have to get your hands dirty, but I didn't. I used my hands today, so which is fine. Okay, then Cody Airspun. It's the brand Cody. This is what it looks like, and I will list everything below. Don't worry. This is your setting powder. So it comes with this little, you know, puff, but I don't like to use that. I like to use a makeup, you know, so you just dip it in there, and then this is how you set. You're gonna set everything that you just put on. It's a setting powder, and it just sets everything in, so you don't have any shine, and you want a little shine, but not like shiny. So there you go. And then this is just, while you're doing the rest of your makeup, this is just kind of, well, they call it baking, like it's baking, like it's setting. So, yeah, okay, so there you go. And all this stuff is at the drugstore. It's so inexpensive, and I just love it so much. So, yeah. Then, okay, now that I've done my neck, I'm gonna put my cute little kimono on. And if you don't know about a kimono, this is actually from the brand Cabi. But these are great. They're little, it's like a robe. If you take it on vacation, you could wear it with jeans. You could wear it over. This one has a little tie in the front, and it just, look at that. How cute is that? And then it's long in the back. So I love this. So there you go. Now that my makeup's done there, I can get dressed a little bit. Okay, now keep on going. What I like to do next, I actually like to do the bronzer next. So I'll take my bronzer, and I like to do the eyes at the end. I don't know why, but so take your bronzer and follow the hollow. And I've been doing it a little higher lately, because I saw Lisa Eldridge. If you are not watching, look at that. Look at the difference right there. Hello, anti-aging. Lisa Eldridge did Victoria Beckham's makeup, and Victoria Beckham did Lisa Eldridge. You've got to watch that video. I'll link it down below. And yeah, so, and then I just do up here. This is all bronzer. And then again, you would pretty much do our 3, and then we go down the draw line like this. And again, this is, I mean, this will make your neck look skinnier, which I really like that. And then you just pull it down, pull it down. And this is a little wonky, but we're gonna blend it, don't worry. The more you blend, the more everything looks a little better. Okay, then the trick I was gonna show you, guess what? You can take your bronzer when your roots are growing out, put it right in your hair, right there. Hello. It's like a root touch-up. Love that idea, right? You're welcome. You are so welcome. And actually, I would maybe even do a little, you can use eyeshadow, but yeah, hello. Look at that. Just fills in your roots a little bit. Love it. Okay, so this is the Butter Bronzer Physician Formula. Love this. Okay, then highlight. This highlighter, this is called, it's by NYX, NYX Strobe Genius. Okay, this, I got this from Milani Davidson, and if you are not following her videos, she's amazing, she's Canadian. She takes these 2 colors here, and I think Jamie Genevieve too, she's Canadian as well. Take these 2 and you mix them, and it makes the most gorgeous highlight. Yeah, how great is that? Look at that. Yes, please. Down here, you know, the normal zone here, right here. Love that. And also, I like to use it under the brow bone, but we're gonna get to that later. Okay, for the brows, moving on to the brows. This is a quad from Ardell at the drugstore. It comes with a little applicator, which I usually don't use, but I'll do it for this video. Let's say this is great for travel. I could do my whole eyes of this video, out of this if I needed to, but I like to mix these 2 colors here because this is too dark and this is too light, so I mix them together and I just get in there and do the brows, just kind of feathering, like making it look like hair-like strokes. And I usually do the front part first, and then I go and finish it off. Just follow your line a little higher at the top and then down. If you want a good video on eyebrows, definitely watch Anastasia Beverly Hills. She has the best, it's like a 2-minute video. I'll try to link that below too. So there you go. Eyebrows done. And then you just take a little spoolie and just fan it out so it looks more natural. There you go. Eyebrows done. Love that. Then I actually have already curled my lashes, but Lancome is my favorite, but that is not drugstore. That's expensive. So go ahead and get the Tweezerman brand. This is a good alternative at the drugstore. Anything Tweezerman, they're actual tweezers, which actually I'm going to show you really quick because they are the OG best tweezers. Tweezerman. Love these. My kids are always in here trying to steal my stuff. They want the best tweezers in the house, and believe me, they're my Tweezerman. Okay, so moving on. So curl your lashes. Then moving on, we are gonna go with the, I'm gonna do my blush. Since I did my bronzer, I like to do my blush. And this is the Milani Luminous number 505, okay? And again, I'll list everything below. Just hit the show me or the arrow down button and it'll show everything. And I will take, and just right on the apples. Look how pretty that color is. Oh my gosh, I love that. It's like an apricot color, kind of. Rosy apricot. Oh my gosh, yeah, love that. Okay, just put that on the apples. Apples of your cheeks. Okay, there you go. Then, moving on. Okay, under eye concealer. So, since we're doing drugstore, I like the Instant Age Rewind by Mabelline, and this is the multi-use concealer eraser in the color 150 Naturalizer. This is great. Now it has a little, you twist it like this and then the product comes up, and I'm just gonna use that underneath my eyes real quick. And you make like a V like this. Oh yeah, bye-bye dark circles. Talk to you later. Okay, bye. Right? Love that. Okay. And then I do have, you can use this applicator, but I like to also go over it with my little paw brush that I always talk about. It's like a little paw, looks like a little cat paw. So you just go in there and it just gets rid of all those dark circles under your eyes, right? Okay, then last but not least, your eyes. This is the Covergirl Chocoholic, and it is a great little, you know, it even smells like chocolate. Oh my gosh, I love it so much. Okay, so I'm gonna take this last color here. It's like a burgundy color, and I'm gonna put it on my eyes. Just right there. I know it looks dark when you start it, and this is a real fluffy brush, and so I'm gonna use it in the crease and on the lid, both. So I'm gonna go on the lid and in the crease, and then just really blend it in and really smooth it out. How gorgeous is that? I love this color so much. Okay, then I'm gonna take my lighter brush, and I'm gonna put this under the brow bone. This is the color right here, second to the last, under the brow bone like that. Okay, and then I'm going to take this shimmer. I love this shimmer right here. It is this like golden, this color right here, this shimmer. And I'm gonna just use my finger and put it right on the lid, just like that. And then I'm gonna finish it off with the lighter color shimmer right here, okay? And that one just right there. Love a little shimmer on there. And then I'm gonna go back to, oh, and I am gonna put a little under my eye. So again, this color here at the end. Just a little right under the eye. And then, okay, I know it's a little dramatic, but when we blend it all out, then I'm gonna go back to the strobe, and I'm going to use that, like I said, under the brow bone to finish it off like that. Really gives it a warmer tone. And then my eyeliner that I've been using lately, good old-fashioned Loreal Voluminous Smoldering Eyeliner. Perfect. Just put it right on your upper lid, just like this. Love that. Okay. And then I'm gonna finish it off with Voluminous Lash Paradise. I love this so much. This is like my new favorite drugstore. Okay, and this is a great mascara. I love this mascara. It's really thickening, but it's not too dramatic to where you look like a hooker. So yeah, it's really thickening, and it spreads the lashes out, and it's just gorgeous. So yeah, but it's not too dramatic, I guess is what I'm saying. You know what I'm saying. Anyways, how's everyone doing out there? Are we getting through this? When are the restaurants gonna open? I'm so tired of cooking. Who's with me? Give me a thumbs up down below if you're tired of doing laundry, cooking, and cleaning, and doing the dishes. I'm so over it every day with a family of 5. Well, now family of 4 because my daughter left. But okay, so pretty much there you have it. Go ahead, take your hair out, zhuzh it up, and you are ready for your day, and you've used nothing but drugstore products. And I'm gonna finish it off with this NYX Butter Gloss. I love Butter Gloss so much. This is in BLG09, the color, and it is very buttery and thick. Look at this. How gorgeous is it? It's like this really pretty little pink, and I think it just really sets the tone. And then, you know my trick that I love, take a little shimmer from your highlighter, and you put it right in the center of your lips, like that. Do you love that? Look at that. Yes, yes, please. Love that. And there you have it. Don't forget to subscribe. I miss you all. I feel like all my friends, it's been hard not to see everyone, and I just hope everyone's doing okay. Keep the faith, love God, love others, and don't forget to subscribe. Love you. Bye.